Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Target app from iPhone and clear barcode history, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Target app from your iPhone, start by locating the app on your home screen. Once you find the Target app, press and hold its icon until a menu appears. From the menu, select Remove App. A pop-up will appear giving you options. Choose Delete App. Confirm your selection by tapping Delete again. The app will now be removed from your device. Next, let's clear your barcode history. Open the Target app if it's still installed, or skip this step if you just uninstalled it. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down and find the barcode section. Here, you will see your saved barcodes. To clear your history, tap on the Edit option. Select the barcodes you want to remove. After selecting, look for the Delete or Remove option and tap it. Confirm your action to finalize the deletion. This will ensure your barcode history is cleared. If you have uninstalled the app, your barcode history is also automatically deleted. You have successfully uninstalled the Target app and cleared your barcode history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.